Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Treatment with Quran. I'm your host Hafiz Salman, and Mr. Gulfam Riaz Hashmi has joined us as usual for answers of your question. Today I want to ask you a question that is related to physical issues and the spiritual issues simultaneously. Most of the diseases, we know that there comes a stage when doctors advise, when doctors say that this disease is no more curable. Like we have some respiratory diseases, we have cancer, tuberculosis. There comes a stage when these diseases become incurable, right? So my question to you is that are there any diseases that are caused by magical issues or spiritual issues, and their treatment is expired at certain point of time? Is there any expiration or limitation to the time of the treatment for magical or spiritual issues?
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Mr. Salman, spiritual problems are caused by something else, and physical problems, there are different reasons behind them. You said, there is an expiry date in treatment of physical problems, but in the treatment of black magic or in treatment of spiritual issues, there is no case of expiration. Because when a magician or when a sahir he renders black magic or he renders anything just like that, so he has not specified a time period that within 6 months or within 40 days or within that time it is curable, and after that time, after the lapse of that specific time, it will be incurable. So this is not the case, because spiritual problems, they are caused by spirituals, they are caused by spirits, and demons are employed in it. So whenever it is diagnosed, whenever evil eye, black magic or jinn possession is diagnosed, it can be curable.
Okay, there are so many lethal or fatal diseases that are caused by magic, black magic we can say, and some of them are, cancer, paralysis, or other some respiratory diseases,
heart diseases
as well. So we have so many diseases that are most of the times they are caused by black magic. So, and we know this is a fact that magic can be cured with different, we don't go into the detail of the treatment, of its treatment, but most of the patients, they are recovered from black magic and other spiritual issues. So when that black magic is relieved or is treated, is it necessary or is it possible that that lethal disease and that fatal disease will also be recovered?
Mr. Salman, the diseases you have mentioned, cancer, paralysis, heart diseases, so sometimes they are caused by spiritual issues,
yes,
jinn or jinn possession or black magic, and sometimes they are not related to spiritualism and they are caused by some physical issues. So if cancer is caused by black magic, and when black magic is diagnosed and treated, so cancer will be treated accordingly. Cancer will also be treated and cured. My teacher told me that a person who was patient of cancer, he visited Sheikh Iqbal Salfi. He is a spiritual healer in Islamabad, and that patient of cancer visited him. But within the period of 20 days, he was recovered
from cancer.
Yes, because his cancer was caused by spirits and demons. So if the disease is caused by spiritual issues, so after the treatment of black magic, after the treatment of that spiritual problem, that physical disease will also be cured.
So in a nutshell, we can say that if that lethal disease is caused by magic, it will be cured when the magic
is
will
cured.
Be relieved.
Yes. But if the treatment, if the disease is caused by some physical issue, so it will not be cured
after a specific point or period of time.
But there is one thing else, that magic affects your psyche, magic affects your body. So after the treatment of magic, this process takes time. Your body takes time in healing process. Okay, so when you are affected psychologically, so you are relieved from magic, but the thing that have affected your psyche badly, so it will take time
Yes.
to get cured. Okay, so this is the case.
Okay. Thank you so very much, Mr. Gulfam, for your time. Thank you so very much for watching this video.